Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to RENNYGOLD Crypto. In today's video we are going to talk about altcoins that you need to grab from the root and make about 20x 50x. These are the altcoins you must not miss. Okay, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because we talk about crypto and every other thing that you may like about crypto. Go check us out, and we make predictions on here as well, so make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification. This is not a financial advice, okay? I am only sharing my critique and my story and all my analysis right on this channel. I'm making predictions. So there is one coin I want to tell you guys about. You guys might have never heard about this coin before. The name of the coin, this particular altcoin is Deelance. Deelance is a freelancing, recruitment platform based on Web3. Okay, you can see. I would like to say you should see Deelance, okay, as more as Fivrr and some other, freelancing sites we have here in our Web2 generation, okay. So this Deelance should be seen more as Fivrr, but should be seen more as Fivrr in Web3. You get a picture? So now Deelance is trying to have something like that, but in this case the platform is going to be integrated within NFTs, metaverse, so buyers and sellers not only would they buy, okay, they can as well sell, but also experience the features of the metaverse. So they are trying to make this a metaverse, but this is a place where you can come hire some people that's got some kind of skill, okay, and you can pay them for them to deliver a job for you. It intends to build a new freelance economy that removes intermediaries, okay, and give freelancers full ownership of their work for buyers, okay. So Deelance is trying to have this decentralized platform, okay. You should see it more as a decentralized platform, which entails micro communities in a metaverse where buyers and sellers of creative works can meet, discuss ideas, network, and form a bond, okay. And this NFT, which I told you guys about, they will be having an NFT marketplace where they can transact as well. So the benefits of Deelance in this Web3 freelancing, space is that they are not going to require complex sign-up information. That's number one. So they are going to provide transparency and security. Remember, Web2 lack a lot of that, okay. This is Web3 now we are talking about. We are talking about the Web3 of Fivrr. So this Web3 of Fivrr is going to become great in all aspects because they are into many things. Like the altcoin is versatile if you are seeing it from the same perspective, okay. They are versatile. They are in the metaverse, they are in Web3, name it, they are in NFT space and everything, okay. So they are going to provide transparency and security. They are going to offer an instant payment in cryptocurrency, a metaverse marketplace with NFT AI chatbots for customer care. So I want you guys to envision. You could see that this particular coin, okay, is covering different, like is in different landscapes, okay. They are in NFT space, they are as well in Web3 space, they are as well in AI space. So you can say that this is an AI coin, okay. This is an upcoming AI coin. So to make this, to cut down all the whole story and make it short, they have already done their pre-sale on March 13, which already ended. That was on May 30th, okay, and they'll be having their token sale on June 1st, which is this year, on June 1st, and their token sale will end on June 30th. So that's why I'm telling you guys about it, so you still have time. I'll drop the link in my description because this kind of project is not a project that you should miss, okay. I'm not trying to convince you in buying this coin, but check the but I would like you to just check on the utility. They are trying to build a utility. The utility is not enough. Okay, they are trying their best to build it up, but I'm seeing this as more like an opportunity to experience Fivrr in Web3. Okay, so this Deelance is Fivrr of Web3. So, and they are as well going to have a low commission NDA for buyer and seller. Okay, and they are going to have an on-chain KYC to avoid bad actors staff recruitment. So that's basically what this coin is all about. And they're going to be using Ethereum for their blockchain. Okay, now this coin is registered. I mean, the people that founded the coin, the project or the company is registered in United Arab Emirates, Dubai, and they registered this coin in 2021. Okay, and coming by here, okay, you will see that they as well, they have what they are going, they'll be having the centralized listing, which is they will be getting listed on a reputable exchange, which is going to be a good opportunity for you and I to make money. This is not a promotion, remember. This is all this is not a promotion. I always tell you guys this is not a promotion. I'm telling you guys this coin because this is a coin that I'll come by and I'll tell you guys that yes, you guys missed out on this one again, like SUI. So you can see their roadmap on everything that they have. Okay, they are having many plans right here. Okay, and they've done some. Okay, you can see from April to June they have the token launch, NFT launch, they have the NFT marketplace, they have the freelance platform launch, which is they are going to be launching the beta version. So I don't want you guys to miss out. Go check out this coin. And they will be having this exchange listing around June as well. So April, June. So I don't want you guys to miss out. That's why I'm making this video. Remember, I always want to give you guys value. So during the process of giving you guys value, I as well would want you all to apply proper risk management. When you are investing in this kind of coin, you put in $10. Okay, any amount you feel that you can afford to risk, you put it out there, but don't pull your last card. Okay, I don't believe in losing money. You know, it's not nice. Okay, don't lose any money. Even when you want to lose, don't lose everything. Just lose a little bit that you know that you are comfortable with. So coming on July or till September, they'll be having their app development, metaverse integration beta version. They'll be having further development, and you can see their team right here. Most of them are tech wise. Okay, and I want you all to look into that one as well. So when you are buying this coin or when you are joining the public sale, remember, okay, that this coin is a coin I already analyzed fully, and I want you all to as well do your own research.